can actually hurt your feelings. And one of the
You dropping in? You need gas? I'll call Steve over if you do. Can you make a yes or no answer for me, my friend?
Yes.
Steven, report to the gas station. Captain Chris requires some fuel.
Copy that, I'm on my way.
I gotta get something out of there. I need to install a fuel water separator on this boat.
Right.
It keeps bogging down with water. There's maybe water in our gas. He's got it set up real fucking
Easy to get to?
yeah. It's really janky though. It's just it's a can that sits in the back of basically a big tub full of water. So
Right.
water gets in there. You got your light on.
Say hi.
Oh, hey, are we live?
You're on my YouTube. No, you're on my YouTube video.
Oh, nice. I was gonna start.
I got a YouTube channel, man.
You do?
Yeah. I'm quite popular.
I'll subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Eagles Trekker.
Eagles Tracker.
Eagles like the bird, like the Philadelphia Eagles.
Yeah.
Trekker. Trekker. 2 Ks. No, not 3. I'm taking them for a boat ride. I gotta move this boat over.
Nice.
Steve, make sure you take care of Chris, or I'll come back and punish you.
Crack that whip.
Crack that whip.
I'm gonna drain some of the gas out of my fuel.
All right, man. You got another tour today, or you done? Oh, yeah. All right, let's go. Eagles Trekker. Heading out of the marina. I will, Steve. Thank you. Our floating cottages. I'm a master boatsman. However, 2 years ago, I never drove a boat in Philadelphia. If you've seen my previous videos, you know that Florida is not my native state. But when in Rome, learn to drive a boat. And these are some of the best waters in the world. People from all over the world come here. This is the top 10 fishing spot in all of the state of Florida. No name bridge, giant tarpon, and lots of shark, mangrove, snapper, all sorts of fun things. Barracuda. We might see some dolphin. Who knows what we'll see. We're gonna take a little boat ride. See, my pelican friends. Our pool, kayaks, yeah. It's, compared to my last job, digging holes, I'm not complaining right now. It's 85 degrees, February 26th, 2021. I'm in shorts, Crocs, t-shirt. Well, there's my pelican buddy. Throttle's close. Still pretty shallow here, so we're gonna take it easy till we get out. That guy's there. It's a little windy out here. Hello, juice. Alright. Drop her down. Out for lobster and crab buoys. It might be a little choppy. Not the water, the video. manatee. I'm in no hurry. I'm coming in. So you park cars in the Florida Keys. Water cars. Really super cool houses up in here. Much more I can. A little more expensive than I can. So there's always possibility of the old manatee being back up in here. I see them quite often. Well, that's I'll show you a house or two. This guy's got all the toys. He used to have a shark cage up in the second floor balcony. That got wiped out by Hurricane Irma. Uh-oh. Better get in the middle. Well, I had fun because I'm getting paid. Now up here at the end, there was a gun shooting like 2 years ago. It's a sailboat club. This guy, all sorts of cool little pads. That one survived the hurricane. This guy rebuilt his. He's got a pool. Couple davits for boats. Some little rampy ramp. It's nice. Fish cleaning station. Gotta be a 28-foot seafox. Coconuts are falling out of the tree. Snakes are out like crazy. Lizards popping out. They all hatched. Not a manatee head, looks like a plastic bag. But too close to the wall to grab. I don't feel like pulling out the gaff. Not right here. There's the sailboat club. Like big yurts they put up in the yard. It's like 40 people camping outside. Sailboats up and down here. It's pretty neat, but annoying. Mayor Jim's spot. Scooter guy. Sharky. Alligator. They come in here every once in a while as well. This guy's got a nice pad, a little pool. His own ramp right into his garage. That's awesome. This guy right here likes to shoot iguana. He's out here all the time popping them, which is legal down here. They are a nuisance creature. We're almost at the end of the ride. I'm gonna need 2 hands to back this thing up and park it. This is where we keep all of our other boats. All rentals. And I get to play with them all. Sorry, no manatee or dolphin, turtles, stingray. I'm not Aquaman. I don't have mind control. This is gonna be the end of it. And I gotta turn here and back in. Maybe I can